We are finally getting to fish the lake today. I'm going to take a red lipless crankbait, and I'm also going to take a green Ned rig along with some other stuff if I need it. But hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Let's take a little walk down through here and let's get to fishing. Hopefully we can catch a bass. Yeah, if you don't tell, I won't. See how warm that water is. It's actually warmer than what I thought it was going to be. It's a horrible cast. There we go. God dang, fish, come here. Got to quit if I'm gonna get you out, bud. There we go. There we go. Let's let him go. Woo! Guys, that right there was on this red lipless crank, rattle trap, whatever you want to call it. Look at that backlash. Good thing is I backlash quite a bit, so I'm alright at getting them out. Right here is where why bank fishing sucks, because you know where they're going to be and you don't have a way to get to them. Whereas if you're on a boat, a little bit easier. So I left the lake. I caught one there. I was probably there for about an hour and 15 minutes, something like that, walking the banks and fishing. So we did catch that one. I'm going to stop at one more place that I am trying to plan a video to put up, hopefully in the next few weeks. It should be a good one. So I can't really tell you where I'm at right now, but I'm going to go ahead and scout it out and fish it a little bit, and we'll see if I can get anything. And hopefully I do, because I would really love to be able to give you this video in the next few weeks. So please just hang with me. Let's see if we get anything down here. And yeah, here we go. Let's try the old Ned rig right here. It's a creek. No way. No way. Oh yeah. No! Wait, whoa. You're stopping. Oh man. Stop! You're stopping. I would love to tell y'all where I'm at right now, but I can't because for a video later on. But here you go. Get in there, Smolly. Little river and creek smallmouths, man, they're fun. Sorry for the traffic sound in the background, by the way, but I had a nice little outro made up for the other video that I was going to put up here, so I'm having to redo it now. But basically, I wish I could tell you where I was at right now, but I can't because I got a video planned that I think you all will really like. I don't know when I'm going to get it out, but that's what I was out here fishing this other place for, and I can't tell you where it is, but it'll be coming up soon. So we had a decent day. We caught one at the lake, then we caught one where I'm at right now. So please, guys, if you want to see future videos and if you want to check out the stuff I have coming up, please hit that like button here at the bottom, hit that subscribe in the top corner. Thank you so much for watching, YouTube, and I'll see you later.